So we're in the kitchen right now, installing the stovetop from Thermador and the Downdraft. Gonna extend it out here real quick. You guys could probably see that I'm working on the sink also, but here's the Downdraft. Extends out to 18 inches. And then we got the light feature, high, low, and off. And then what I want to cover today is the filters, how easy it is to clean them out. So to get access to the filters, you just get this faceplate and pull it out, just like that. Then lay it down face up so you don't scratch the stainless face. And then here are the filters. Alright, so easier way to do it, just pull it out like that. So here it is. Here's the filter. As you can see, it's brand new. I haven't really used it for anything much yet, but there it is. You can either wash them in the sink or throw them in the dishwasher. Doesn't matter. Then after they dry, pop them back in. There's one, two, and then this cover plate goes back in. Slides in just like that, like a glove. So that's all there is to it. Yeah, they recommend cleaning it out every once in a while. I believe it was like once a month they recommend cleaning it out, but I guess it really depends on how you cook, how often, what kind of food you make. So yeah, I haven't tested it out for its quality yet. As you can see, I'm still installing everything, but I mean, the features are nice. I don't like a couple noises that it's making, like when it rolls down it makes a thumping sound, and then when the blower's a little bit off, it's not from the same unit as the Downdraft. It's sold separately, but on the second speed, when you turn on Thermador Downdraft to the second speed, the blower makes a weird high frequency noise. So I'm not sure. It doesn't surprise me. Thermador has kind of let me down on all of the products. When I originally got the Downdraft, it wasn't functioning. I had to have a technician come out and redo the wiring inside, because apparently they didn't wire it correctly in the factory. So nothing really surprises me about Thermador right now, but as for the filters, they are easy to get to, easy to clean out, and that's all there is to it.